HVAC people! Alright, as you can see, folks, we are low on refrigerant. Very low. So you see we got the fan, we got that good compressor sound. So do a visual leak search on the outside. I didn't see any refrigerant anywhere. The Nissa core does need cleaning. I'm gonna mention that to the homeowner, see if we can get the maintenance out of it. But we're gonna start at the evaporator core. Got an oil carrier in there, probably gonna have to come out. If I identify the leak, if I can fix it, I'll fix it. If not, we're gonna put a quote in and get a new core. All right, I think I said carrier, but we got a Lennox core. You already know what time it is. Should I even open this up? But I like to make sure for certain before I put a brand new coil up here. Still have a leak. So we just gotta do what we gotta do. But I think I'm trying to take the door off without moving that flute pipe. See too much residue. I might take it outside because I really don't see any oil residue on the coil. It's bone dry up on the inside. The only residue I really see is around this TXV. I see somebody put silicone right here. I think they just did that to cover up the air gaps. Like I said, the only residue I see is around that THV. I'm gonna try the Infocon. Found that leak right there on that distributor right there. See? Watch where it bubble up there. Right there on that distributor. Right there on the back side right there. I don't know if that brass or copper. Right there. Just picking it up. I don't want to get it too close to it because I don't want to suck no water in my thing. But I hear it ticking, getting a little faster when I get right here. I got it on auto. See that? There you go. All right. So I was say you gotta use your 5 senses though. My eyes really what got it, cause the H10 kind of skipped over it because I was concentrating on the U-bends, but my visual caught it first, and then the soap bubbles, then electronic leak detector. And that is brass. I'm not even gonna try to. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get this out of here. All right, while we at it, you're not supposed to look in those UV lights. So do not, if you're in the field, you're a technician, do not look in those UV lights. Do not supposed to make eye contact with the UV lights. Tip of the day. All right, so this right here is my favorite leak detector of all time. It's the first leak detector I ever used about 10 years ago. And this is my second Infocon detect. Like I said, I just love this thing. But I like the H10, but it's just too bulky. And this thing right here just never let me down. I can get into a tight spot, got the little wand on here. And you see, I'm charging it up. Well, not charging it, but I'm using the power adapter. Watch how fast it finds the leak. When it starts beeping, and then we're ready to go. But it is, you can see it start to foam up. All right. Okay. Now watch this. Watch how fast this finds it. Now don't get me wrong, it's not fair to the H10 Pro. The H10 Pro, I started out looking forward back here on the U-bends. Which this one not gonna pick anything up back here either. All right, folks, there you have it.